that getting some extra cash easily is a great thing, more especially when you can do this in the comfort of your own home at your own time, even when you commute or do some things at home, and you find out that you're actually able to earn some money. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time, you are welcome. Your time is so much appreciated. And if you've been here before, thank you so much for coming by. This channel is Online Cash Craft. What we do here is to talk about any easy way that you can earn extra money by the side. Even though so many people don't take it as side hustle, they find out the method that will show on this platform and they decide to take it as their main hustle. It's entirely up to you anyway, whether you want it as your side hustle or as your main hustle. Now today I'm going to be showing you different ways you can earn money by completing easy micro tasks. As so many people will go out there and tell you that, oh, you watch videos and you get paid. How actually do you do that? In today's video tutorial, I'm going to be taking you step by step to show you how you can make extra cash by using what is called GPT. So GPT sites are simply get paid to sites. Yeah, so these are the sites that you complete micro tasks in the site and you get paid. That's simply what it means. And there are so many tasks that they have on their platforms that you can complete, like surveys, like video games, like watching videos, and so on and so forth. So today I'm going to be taking you step by step to show you some of the GPT sites that you can actually use to earn money. So without much ado, I'm going to take you straight to the platform and show you what I've been talking about. Don't go nowhere. Stick around with me. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do give me a subscribe. Like this video and do click on the bell notification so that whenever I upload any new video, you'll be the first to be notified. So without wasting much of your time, I'm going to show you what I've been talking about GPT. So guys, the first website we're looking at today will be Grindr. Grindr is a GPT website. So we want to find out how can we use this platform, this site, to earn extra money. So we're gonna click on that. And why am I clicking on that? I'm clicking on that for you to see this important announcement here. You can see this is their website, but they have an important announcement. So I'm bringing this to your knowledge. If you have signed up with Grindr, you would have to pay attention. Now the article says, "Dear Grindr community, it is with a heavy heart that we announce the closure of Grindr." So we're gonna click on that. And why am I clicking on that? I'm clicking on that for you to see this important announcement here. You can see this is their website, but they have an important .com. So now they are closing this platform. Yes. And to think they've been in business for a long time and now they are closing it. Let's read ahead and see if they are giving reason why they are closing this website. Right? We want to express our deepest gratitude to each and every one of you who has been a part of our community. Your loyalty and support have meant the world to us. After careful consideration, we have made the difficult decision to shut down Grindr.com. This decision was not made lightly, and we understand that it may come as a surprise. We want to assure you that this decision was driven by various factors and it was not an easy one to make. For the next 90 days, this is where I'm going to, this particular line I'm reading now. For the next 90 days, our website will remain accessible, allowing you to log in and cash out your remaining balances. So if you have any balance on this website, please go and withdraw it. We encourage you to take this time to redeem your hard-earned rewards and make the most of your Grindr experience, right? These people are good. Some people will just close without even letting their users know, but they are putting up this notice for everyone to be aware what is going on, so that if you have any money left in there, you just go and quickly withdraw your money. So it said, please note that if your account has a balance of 100 GABS or less, it will not be eligible for withdrawal. Understandable. Additionally, any withdrawals that would bring your total reward for the year to over $599 will require you to submit a W-9 form before processing. This is in compliance with tax regulations, and we appreciate your cooperation in this matter. We appreciate your understanding during this transition period. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out to our support team at support@grindabug.com. We are here to assist you and provide guidance throughout the cash out process. Once again, thank you for being a valued member of the Grindabug community. We wish you all the best in your future endeavors. Sincerely, the Grindabug team. So guys, as you can see, they've put up this notice. So don't say you are taken unaware. They made it open for everyone to know. They've been rewarding users since November 2014. You can see since November 2014 they've been in business, but now they've decided to call it quits. Right, so we're gonna go to this next one. I just decided to come to this platform so I can show you this important announcement about them shutting down. So the second one we'll be looking at today is a platform, a site that is called Jumpstart. So this is the platform here, guys. You just go to Google and you type in Jumpstart, and you get the option, you get to their platform, you find yourself here. Now you can sign in if you had already signed up to the platform, but let's check how does this work. One place, many ways to earn. That's what they say. Turn your spare time into crypto earnings. So Jumpstart is about crypto earnings. Play games, take surveys, and complete other simple micro tasks to get paid with Jump tokens. So what they pay you with is Jump tokens. Now, and how to earn. This is it. Let's check out how can you earn on this platform. So if you click on how to earn, you earn by playing games, taking surveys, and by completing other easy micro tasks. How you earn your rewards. And to sign up, you can sign up using your crypto wallet address. That's if you want, that's an option. Now, the second option for you to sign up is by using your social media account. So 2 ways you can sign up to this platform, right? Now here, login, you can either log in by your Google account, using your Google account, your Facebook, or by connecting to your crypto wallet. That's the way you can sign in, right? Now, when you had signed up to this platform, the next step would be for you to choose and complete a task, because you can only earn if you had completed a task. So how do you choose and complete a task? Find quick and easy micro tasks. Discover a wide variety of tasks that can be completed in just 3 to 5 minutes. So in essence, their tasks are so easy and simple to complete. Whether you enjoy taking surveys, texting applications, watching ads, or engaging with social media tasks, there is an option for you. So if you click here, you find different options that you can actually complete a task. And flexible anytime, anywhere. So this is so flexible and suits everybody. Wherever you are in the world, you can earn. And at any time of your choice, you can earn. If you're in the comfort of your own home, you will be earning money. If you're on the bus, you're commuting, you will be earning money, and that's it. Then when you've completed the task, get paid in Jump tokens. This is how you get paid. You can see that this platform is pretty easy to access, pretty easy to complete the task. It takes about 3 to 5 minutes to complete a task, and pretty easy to withdraw your tokens, and use those tokens either to buy gift card or to do other things on other platforms. Are you gonna give this a try? Let me know in the comment section. This is pretty easy and reliable way of earning extra money. So guys, you can see that the task on this platform, Jump Task, is so easy to complete and flexible as well. It takes literally between 3 to 5 minutes for you to complete a task on the platform. And you might want to find out how much money are you actually gonna earn. The thing is, the amount of money you earn will depend on the number of tasks that you complete. Yeah, and you're not limited to the number of tasks you can complete. You can go ahead and complete as many tasks as you want, and that will enable you to earn as much as you want as well. So in other words, there are no limits to the task you can complete, and there are no limits to the amount of money you can make on that platform. So it might interest you to know that there is just one limitation with Jump Task, and that limitation is that you are not allowed to use VPN to change your location. They really want to know if where you had added as your location is actually where you are. So having said that, the next GPT site we're going to be looking at is a GPT site that is called Contiply. So we're going to head back to our Google and find out what Contiply holds for people that want to earn extra money by the side as side hustle. So this is Google here, and this is Contiply Bitcoin Rewards. So let's click on this one. Now this is their platform, right? Over $12 million paid and free Bitcoin. So this one is strictly for people that like to earn in Bitcoin. This is what it's all about, guys. So if you want to click sign up, you click here that says sign up. But before we do that, let's go ahead and check out how this platform works. All you need to do basically is enter your email address. You click start earning now. That's it. It's as simple as that. Start earning free crypto today. Join today and start earning. Trusted by more than 3 million users. You can see. So this is the signing up page, right? All they need is your first name, email address, and password. Then you confirm password and agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. Then you click on sign up now. So I just want us to go ahead and check out more information about this platform. Does this Cointiply work? The way it works is you sign up to the platform, you play games and earn coins. Yeah, right. You play games and you earn coins, or you complete tasks to level up and earn reward points, right? And then over here it says complete offers. Complete quick offers to earn even more Bitcoin each day. So there are so many avenues you can actually earn. Share your opinion. Complete surveys every day to earn thousands of coins. So you can also participate in their surveys. You can see how many ways they have shown us, and then watch videos. Watch videos and earn coins. So basically there are different ways that you can earn on this platform. That means they've taken out time to make sure that they take everybody's need into consideration. If you are not watching videos, you are playing video game. If you don't want to play video game, you can complete surveys, you can complete micro tasks and all that. So there are so many different ways you can earn with this platform. So, and now how much can I earn on Cointiply? As high as our top users earn hundreds of dollars every month. Look, they are top users, yeah, but there are people that also earn like $30 a month. It depends on how much work you want to put in. It depends on your big why. Why do you want to do this? If you have much enough reason that, oh, you want to earn good money, now you're gonna put in the extra time and complete task and do the surveys and all that to earn of dollars every month. It will take time and effort of your part, you see. So what is the minimum withdrawal limit? The minimum is $3. The minimum is $3, which is 30,000 coins. So you can agree with me that this site is a must try. All right, so there's a place that says, does it have a referral program? I actually like sites that have referral programs, you know, so that you can use their link as you share their link. Anybody that subscribes to them, you get paid some commission. Yes, you can earn up to 25% of any coin earned by a user that you refer to. Contiply, you will earn 10% of their offer earnings and 25% of their first earnings. This is good. So their referral program is just so good, you know. And so that is that, guys. Yeah, so this platform is definitely a try. Definitely to give it a try. So guys, that is it for today. Thank you so much for sticking around with me. Can I just say, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, like this video, and do click on the bell notification so that whenever I upload any new video, you'll be the first to be notified. I'm going to be trying and signing up for this platform that I just showed you how you can earn easy money with GPT sites. If yes, let me know in the comment section. Is there any video you want me to talk about? Also, let me know in the comment section, and that will be done. Once again, thank you for your time. It is so much appreciated, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you.